Hey guys, today I will talk about the US dollar. I will talk about the Japanese yen, gold, silver, US oil, Bitcoin, Ethereum, US equities as well. So yeah, I will try to identify new potential setups and trades here live. And if I'll have something really good, I will share the trade with the VIPs, or maybe I will share the trades also with the free members here live. Don't forget that later today we'll have yeah, important US economic data, core price index, durable good orders, core durable good orders, personal income, personal spending, revised University of Michigan consumer sentiment. All these could shake the market maybe later, could bring us new opportunities in the short term. So I will take a look on all markets, and I will try to identify new potential setups and trades maybe before the economic data, the US economic data. And read disclaimer here, guys. Please read the disclaimer. It's important to understand that trading is risky. Past performance is not a reliable indicator of future performance. Please read it. Learn to Trade team will never contact you directly, will never ask for payment. Don't forget that there are a lot of scamming groups, a lot of scammers out there, fake accounts. Okay, so if you want to join the VIP groups, yeah, you have to buy a subscription. This is the only way. And if you want to communicate with Learn to Trade, you can do it only after sending an email to support. Thank you, guys. So later, US economic data. Let's start. Yeah, here is Bitcoin. Let's take a look on Bitcoin. Bitcoin. I don't know if I've talked about this this potential reversal pattern and head and shoulders here on Bitcoin in my previous webinar, but head and shoulders here, maybe 26,700 as a neckline, a breakdown, test retest, here a new sell-off, and probably only a new lower low could activate this major reversal, maybe pattern in the short to the medium term. A new lower low could open the door maybe for more declines here on Bitcoin. I really wanted to talk about Bitcoin as well here, and maybe temporary rebounds in the short term could bring us new short opportunities, guys. Yeah, if you are interested, of course, in cryptocurrencies. I don't know if you like to invest or to trade. Yeah. Something like this. Yeah, after its massive, after its last massive sell-off, a rebound was natural. But personally, I'm looking only for shorts. Yeah, as I've said, personally, I'm looking only for shorts here in Bitcoin. Yeah, so DXY, as I've said, DXY. 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 Okay, about the dollar index, yeah, I talked about potential upside continuation in the short term. One moment. Yeah, I talked about a potential upside continuation here, and right now sell-off. And in my opinion, the dollar index could maybe come back down towards 103.62 towards the medium line here. And one moment, I have to take a look on something. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So the current sell-off here on the dollar index forced the US dollar to depreciate versus its rivals. But personally, let's take a look. But I don't think that we'll have something a potential US dollar short right now. Okay, I don't think that we'll have a US dollar short right now, and that's why personally maybe I'll wait for that sell-off, for that retreat on the dollar index to end, to be over, and yeah, personally I will try to identify new US dollar longs. Okay, because right now maybe it's too late to go short on the US dollar. Okay, I don't think we have something really good. Yeah, I've had a potential setup here, but now this setup was invalidated, so I will look for something else. Yeah, a potential setup on US dollar Canadian dollar, and here maybe on US dollar Canadian dollar, maybe only a potential rally here and something like this. Only if this scenario will take shape, I will look for potential new shorts. Okay, for potential new shorts, because maybe this could be only how about gold? Yeah, we'll take a look on gold. Please be patient, guys. Yeah, I will take a look on gold, silver, US oil, Japanese yen, US equities. And yeah, after taking out here a rebound, yeah, maybe this it would have been, but I will look for something else. As I said, maybe US dollar Canadian dollar could find the currency pair could find the support and demand here, and after taking out the former lows here, and then I will look for longs or something. Right now, no, I don't want to sell it at market, but as I've said, guys, dollar index could still approach and reach the medium line and maybe the former highs here. After its strong rally, a retreat is natural. This the sell-off, it is natural, and or maybe temporary rebounds here on the dollar index could bring us maybe new US dollar shorts or something. But right now we'll have to wait. Also, let's wait also maybe for the economic data, because better than expected US data could bring us maybe potential US dollar longs, and only poor economic data could help us to identify maybe US dollar shorts. Yeah, because poor economic data could force the dollar index to register to print a larger sell-off and downside movement in the short term. Okay, one moment. Yeah, yesterday. Is there any swing trades for measures, as it Toro doesn't have any of your swing trades? What? Wayne. Personally, I'm not managing that channel, that group. I'm not sending swing trades in that group, but maybe I'm sending, I don't know, swing trades maybe from time to time, maybe here in the Forex VIP group. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, yesterday I've had a selling position here on US 100. Okay, so we have a swing trading group. If you want to join that group, here, Learn to Trade, it's up to you. You can access the link below this video. You can send an email to support if you need more details. Support. Okay, yeah, we had a strong sell-off yesterday here on US 100. My position was in profit, but personally I've decided, guys, to manage my position, to move my stop loss at break even, and it was perfect decision, because here in the short term it has failed here to make a new lower to extend its sell-off, and the price turned it to the upside, and it has rallied only because in the short term you saw that the dollar index dropped, and when the US dollar depreciates, maybe the US equities, US 100, US 500, US 30 could jump higher. Okay, so personally I'm using this correlation. When the US dollar is bearish, maybe I will look for longs on the US equities, and maybe when the dollar index and the US dollar it is bullish, I will look for US equities shorts. Okay, so right now, no, I don't want to do anything here. US 100, US 30. Let's take a look. US 30. US 30. Also here. But maybe I will look for something after the economic data, because guys, poor economic data could punish the US dollar, could weaken the dollar, the greenback, and could force and could push the US equities higher. So so US 100 rallied, US 30 here right now. And yeah, yesterday I didn't want it to manage my position or to close my position in US 100 for only for a small profit. I decided to only to move the stop loss at break even and to let it ride. Okay. Maybe here I will look for potential longs if the dollar index extends its sell-off, and if the US dollar continues to depreciate in the short term. Okay, maybe US 30. US 30. Yeah, US 500. Nah, no. Yeah, maybe here when it has reached this zone, maybe a buy stop here would have been good, but right now it's too late. Maybe to go long. No, I don't have something really good. Maybe on US 30, maybe, but I'll wait for the economic data. So let's take a look on majors again, and then I will talk about the Japanese yen as well, because the Japanese yen crashed again. I talked about the Japanese yen in my market breakdown video today, and I've that scenario, that bullish scenario, was invalidated, and so Euro USD, the downside pressure is still high. Yeah, that's why temporary rebounds could bring us new short opportunities. Okay, new short opportunities. 1.07 12. Yeah, but as I've said, temporary rebounds could bring us new short opportunities. That's why I don't want to buy it here. I don't want to go long on Euro USD. I don't want to go short on the US dollar. I will look only for maybe for US dollar longs after that the DXY's retreat and correction will be over. British pound. Yeah, same here. Maybe I'll wait for this rebound to be over before I will look for potential shorts. US dollar, Japanese yen. US dollar, Japanese yen. No, it's still bullish. It's still bullish despite but no, I don't have an opportunity or a setup here now. Potential setup: US dollar, Canadian dollar. Yeah, I told you here that maybe a potential rebound here could bring us short opportunities after reaching maybe this zone former high, supply zone, maybe resistance, only maybe false breakout, and worse than expected US data could maybe could force the pair to approach and reach new lows. Yeah, but I don't want to sell it here at market because this is on sideways movement, strong imbalance. It could find demand again, and that's why I said it's a rebound. And if it will, if the price will come back here, then I will look maybe for shorts. Okay. US dollar, Swiss franc. I will talk also about gold, about silver, US oil. US dollar, Swiss franc. Yeah, this could still be only a temporary retreat, a temporary drop. A bullish pattern inside of this demand zone or order block could bring us potential longs, but right now I need confirmation. It's premature. It's premature to talk about something like this, but yeah, I will look for longs because after what happened here, sideways movement and then boom. Okay, this is a strong demand zone, and I will look for potential longs here. US dollar, Swiss franc. Yeah, potential US dollar long. New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Whoa. Yeah, we had a massive sell-off after the Reserve Bank of New Zealand. That's why we had this this massive drop. And it remains to see how it will react here around the immediate supply zones, resistance levels, former highs. I don't want to buy it. Maybe I will look only for shorts. Don't forget, guys, to like the video. It will be helpful for me into the YouTube algorithm. Also, yeah, same here. It remains to see. Taking out or invalidating the immediate supply zone could signal a potential larger growth, but if the DXY turns to the upside, if the dollar index develops a new leg higher, then boom, Australian dollar, US dollar should drop. US dollar, Singapore dollar, US dollar, Singapore dollar. US dollar, Singapore dollar. Yeah, after this strong sell-off, because after this strong rally, a retreat is natural. I will look only for longs. For new buying opportunities. Yeah, maybe we've missed an opportunity here to go short. Yeah, in the early morning, and personally I'm out during the Asian session. False breakout with great separation, and probably here after making a new lower low, aggressive breakdown. Also yeah, maybe we've had a short opportunity. Maybe we've had in the early morning after reaching here. Yeah, let's take a look. Patrick, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen short possible. I will take a look. On Japanese yen in on Japanese yen pairs in 2 minutes. Yeah, maybe we've had here an opportunity to go short, but I've told you only during the Asian session. because right now it's too late. Yeah, false breakouts with great separation above 1.3552, breakdown, and then sell off. Are you guys two people working on this channel? Why? So gold, silver, and then I will talk about now it's not as is here. This is not working for the Forex on the Forex channel. Yeah. Or channels. I have VIP swing, but my eToro only has crypto, not, for example, only as crypto by any different platform. So Wayne, you can send an email to support. As I've said, you can send an email to support. As I've said, guys, please send an email to support about if you have questions about brokerage companies. I don't know, Wayne, where are you from, or what brokerage company you can use in your country. I don't know. Okay, so that's why personally I'm using here 8 cap for learn to trade. Yeah, and yeah. You can send an email to support, they will sort you out. Okay, I have sent an email to Aziz, but he's not replying to my email. Please send an email to support. Okay, very important, as I need to make my deposit to the broker. Same for me. I don't have access to crypto pair like Bitcoin, Ripple. I don't know your brokerage company, so please, guys. But I don't know. So please, guys, I told you. This is the support, and please, guys, understand that the only way to communicate with Learn to Trade, it's if you'll send an email to support, guys. Okay. Okay, only if you'll send an email to support, because there are a lot of scammers out there, fake accounts. Yeah. As I've told you, guys, Learn to Trade team will never contact you directly, guys. Yeah, so please be careful out there. If you want to join the VIP groups, you'll have to buy a subscription. Yeah, to access the VIP groups. Yeah. Okay, guys, so please send an email to support about services, about subscription, brokerage companies, about gold. Yeah, yesterday I've talked about gold in my daily video analysis, and I've said that I have a range pattern here, and I've said that maybe better than expected US data could force the price of gold to drop deeper. And this is what happened, guys, yesterday. Better than expected data, prelim gross domestic product, better than expected unemployment claims, prelim GDP price index, so better than expected US data. We had a massive sell-off here on gold, but yeah, maybe after this strong sell-off, this rebound was natural. This rebound maybe was natural. Okay. And this rebound was natural also after reaching this this demand zone or order block here. Okay, after reaching it, but this could still be only a temporary rebound before coming back down. A rebound here on gold only because the DXY tended to the downside and retreated, dropped it in the short term. Personally, I'm looking maybe only for shorts right now. Maybe on lower time frames here in gold. Maybe it remains to see how it will react after the US economic data. What about GBP Japanese yen? I've told you I will take a look on Japanese yen pairs in 1 minute, 2 minutes. Okay, Wayne, UK. Okay, but please send an email to support. I don't know. Personally, I'm not working as a support agent here. Okay, I don't know all the details about brokerage companies. What brokerage companies are available in UK or something. So personally, I'm here only as a trader, as a market analyst. So please send an email to support. They will sort you out. Okay, please. Yeah, rebound in silver as well, but right now it's too late. Maybe I'll wait for this rebound to be over, and then I will look for potential new shorts. Yeah. No, I'm not sending trades into the crypto channels. I've told you. I'm not managing those groups. Okay. Yeah, as I said, I'll wait for this rebound to be over, maybe here or here, and then I will look for shorts. I have all the VIPs, okay, but as I've said, I don't know all the details about eToro or about 8cap, AvaTrade, or I don't know, yeah. So please send an email to support. They will sort you out. Thank you, guys. Okay, US oil, and then I will talk about Japanese yen, and maybe I will have something. Maybe on the Japanese yen. Yeah, it seems that my connection is not very good right now. I don't know why, but about the US oil. Massive sell-off right now. A rally, but after this, maybe I'll look for shorts after this. Maybe rally will be over. Maybe, because this could represent a potential bearish pattern, a potential flag. But right now it's premature to talk about something like this. But yeah, I will keep an eye also on US oil, and I will try to identify new potential setups here. Now, nothing really good right now because I don't want to buy it. I don't want to sell it here. I'll wait for confirmation. And when I don't have something really good, I don't want to trade. Yeah, I'll wait for only for high probability setups, high probability trades with a really good risk to reward ratio. I don't want to place trades only because I know someone wants to open or to place 10 trades per day. So Japanese yen basket, and earlier today I talked about a confluence area here at the intersection between the former high, upper medium line. I've had also an ascending pitchfork in the short term, and this is the thing, guys. Yeah, please take a look here. So confluence area, intersection of at least two resistance levels. So you predict gold for short. So Mohammed, I will not tell you what to do. If I will have a setup and a trade, I will share my my levels, my trade, my setup into the VIP group. So it's your call if you want to go short, if you want to go long. I will not tell you what to do. I'm not a financial advisor. Yeah, everything here is only for educational purpose. And yeah, but personally, I will share my trade in gold when I'll have a setup. Okay, if it will be short, I will share selling trade on gold. So yeah, I will not tell you what to do. It's your call. I don't know your risk. Personally, I'm using 0.5%, 0.3, 0.4, 0.6, yeah, per trade. Yeah, so only false breakout through the confluence area, and I've told you guys all the time that false breakout through a confluence area could signal potential movement in the opposite direction. This is what happened here on Japanese yen basket. The sell-off, this massive drop, forced the Japanese yen to lose more ground versus its rivals. But yeah, it has dropped below the former lows. Okay, the bias is bearish, but after this massive sell-off, maybe I would like to see a temporary rebound and then boom. Okay, downside continuation. So let's take a look. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, strong rally. Okay, and yeah, maybe this will be only a temporary drop. I will look maybe for as I said, for Japanese yen, maybe for Japanese yen shorts. For Japanese yen shorts on these markets, maybe from here after reaching this zone, but maybe this is not the best setup. Let's take a look. Maybe we'll have something on go. Euro Japanese yen or British pound Japanese yen. Yeah. No. Maybe if it will come back down, maybe I'll look for longs. Shit. So yeah, if it will come back down, maybe I'll look for longs. But right now, supply zone, resistance here. Nope. British pound Japanese yen, yeah, strong rally, and that's why I would like to see a retreat if the yen basket rallies in the short term. I would like to see a sell-off towards this zone, and from here I will look for longs, boom, or from here, but maybe after reaching this zone. Yeah, and yeah, I've missed an opportunity here. It would have been really good, but right now I will still keep an eye. Maybe this will be the market. Maybe I will have a really good long opportunity on Australian dollar Japanese yen, because here, guys, after this sideways movement here, after this retest, maybe I've had an opportunity to go long. Okay, it has rallied. I've missed the opportunity earlier today, but a temporary retreat could bring me a potential new long. Yeah, that's why I will keep an eye maybe only here on Australian dollar Japanese yen or on the British pound Japanese yen for potential longs and for potential Japanese yen shorts. Yeah, because also here, let's select another color for this ascending pitchfork. Test retest, false breakdowns below the lower medium line, confirming this ascending pitchfork. A new higher high, maybe here only test retest before jumping higher. And yeah, this is my scenario on Australian dollar Japanese yen, and I would like to, yeah, maybe I've missed an opportunity to go long here after a confluence area. Also here, guys, confluence area, false breakdown, boom. Okay. Also, if you want to understand better how to trade, maybe, or how to use the confluence area in your trading, you can visit our YouTube channel, and we have a playlist, trading tutorials, and the person I've shared tutorial about how to use the confluence areas in trading. So this is the scenario. This is my scenario here. I'm looking only for Japanese yen shorts. Yeah, maybe I would like personally I would love the price to come back down here before jumping higher, but it could also retest here 91.26 before boom. Okay, so I really hope I will have a setup today, a really good setup and opportunity. Yeah, former high here on New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. It remains to see. I've told you guys that the US data could have a big impact on the Japanese yen later as well. Please take a look here, okay? Maybe it will come back down to retest this zone, or taking out the former high 85.25 could open the door, could activate a larger rebound here on New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. And I told you guys the US economic data could have an impact also on the Japanese yen, and personally I'm using maybe this correlation when the US dollar depreciates, maybe the Japanese yen could appreciate in the short term, yeah, versus its rivals. So if the US economic data will come in worse than expected, then maybe the Japanese yen could appreciate in the short term. Yeah. Yeah, maybe I will have something after the economic data on the Japanese yen. I really hope that I will have something really good. Okay. It remains to see if the price will come back down here, or if it will only take out the resistance, if it will invalidate, if the price action, if the price invalidates the supply, the order block, then it could extend its growth. Yeah. But I need a value breakout and then boom. Okay, it could come back towards this zone. New Zealand Japanese yen. So this is my opinion, guys, about the Japanese yen. I will wait for the economic data. So in 10 minutes, 11 minutes, we'll have the economic data. Yeah, the fundamentals will move the markets, will bring sharp movements, and personally I will come back with setups and trades into the VIP group right after the economic data, guys. Right? So yeah, nothing really important for now. I'm waiting, I'll wait for that rebound here on the yen basket before going maybe short again on the Japanese yen. And here on the dollar index and on the US dollar, maybe I'll wait for this retreat to be over, or if we'll have temporary rebounds, then maybe I will identify, or I will try to identify new potential US dollar shorts. Okay, that's it for now. I will come back later after the economic data with potential trades and setups into the VIP group. If you are not a VIP member, and if you want to join us, if you want to join the VIP group, if you want to get my trades, my trade management, my high value content, webinars, videos, I don't know, maybe I'll have time to record the tutorials, again, analysis, data. Please hit the link below this video. Thank you, guys. Have a great weekend, and personally I will come back with something later. Bye bye.